Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Watch the video Surya Namaskar. Please subscribe, enable notification, please like, share and comment. Surya Namaskar. Surya means sun, Namaskara means salutation. It is basically saluting the sun through the 12 poses. These poses stretches various muscles, spine column and gives a flexibility to the whole body. The regular practice of Surya Namaskara helps to improve the blood circulation throughout the body and maintain a health. The postures practiced during the Surya Namaskara act as a good link between warm-ups and asanas. Surya Namaskara should preferably done at the time of sunrise. One gets vitamin D, which is beneficial for purifying blood as well as for development of lungs and bones. Surya Namaskara is one of the most important yoga practice. It can be performed while chanting 12 different mantras. The mantras adds profound spiritual element to the practice. One experience a phenomenal effect on mind, body and spirit. Om Mitraय Namah. Namaskara Asana, a prayer pose. Stand erect with the feet together. Join the palms together in front of the chest in Namaskar Mudra. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Ashtontasana. Inhaling, raise both arms above the head and slightly bend the trunk backward. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Pada Asta Asana. Hand to foot post. Exhaling, bend forward from the waist and keep the arms side of the air until palm touches the floor on the both the side of the feet and the forehead touches the knee. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Om Ravi Namah. Asvasanchalasana, equestrian pose. Inhaling, extend the right leg behind as far as possible. Bend the left knee and keep the left foot on the ground between the palms. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Parvatasana. Exhaling, bring the left leg back to join with the right leg. Simultaneously raise the buttocks and lower the head between the arms so that body forms a triangle with the floor. Try to place heels on the ground. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Om Suryaya Namah. Ashtang Namaskara. Gently lower the knees, chest and chin to the ground with normal breathing. Toes, knees, chest and hands and chin should touch the floor. The buttocks are kept up. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Bhujangasana. Lower the hips while pushing the chest forward and raise the trunk upward until the spine is fully arched and the head is facing up. The legs and lower abdomen remain on the floor. Inhale while raising the torso. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Om Banavi Namah. Parvatasana. Exhaling, lower the trunk, keeping the palms flat on the floor. Place both the feet on the ground. Raise the buttocks and lower the head between the arms. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Ashvasanchalasana, equestrian pose. Inhaling, extend the left leg behind as far as possible. Bend the right knee and keep the right foot on the ground between the palms. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Om Gagaya Namah. Pada Asta Asana, hand to foot pose. Exhaling, Bring the stretched left foot forward. Join the both the legs. Straighten the knees and bend forward. Bring the heads near to the knees. Palms should be placed on the floor beside the feet. Remain in this posture for few seconds. Ashtantasana, raised arms pose. Inhaling, raise the both arms and trunk slowly. Bend backward with the arms stretched up. Stay in this posture for few seconds. Om Pushne Namah. Namaskar Asana, prayer pose. Breathing out, come to an erect and straight position. Bring hands in front of the chest and join the palms together in Namaskara posture. Breathe normally in this position. Remain in this position for few seconds. Om Hiranyagarbha Namah. Benefits of Surya Namaskara. It helps to increase the strength, endurance, flexibility. It regulates all the system of the body. It improves the concentration. It helps in removing the excess fat. It helps in alleviating constipation, improving the blood circulation in the body. It energizes the body and refreshes the mind. It helps increasing the height of the growing children. It tones up the body. It stretches the abdominal organ and improves the digestions. The person having a spinal cord injury should not practice Surya Namaskara. Om Marjaye Namah. Cautions. Synchronize breathing with movements of the body. Inhale during the upward bending and exhale during the forward bending. Do not practice beyond your capacity. Limitation. One should avoid practicing Surya Namaskara in case of high blood pressure, fever, heart disease, hernia, slip disc, intestinal tuberculosis, sciatica, back problems, any surgery, pregnancy or menstruation. Om Adityaya Namah. Om Savitre Namah. ॐ भास्कराय नमः। And that comes to the end of my video. Please like this video and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.